afternoon, sir.
Yeah, very good afternoon. How are you?
I am fine. I am fit as a fiddle, sir. Thank you. Thank you for connecting with video call.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. And maybe we are meeting very first time. Yeah, I don't know about yourself. Who are you and where are you from? While what do you do? So first of all, please say something about yourself.
Yes, sir. Really, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siva. I am from Uttar Pradesh near Prayagraj. And if I talk about my profession, I am a small businessman. My business is jewelry, gold and silver. And simultaneously, I run tuition classes where I teach mathematics. And
Okay.
I teach from 6th to 10th class. And
Okay.
if I talk about my hobbies, I love to traveling. I love to talk with stranger, and I like to read book, English book. So why I am here, sir? I am an English enthusiast. I I was very fond of learn this language from schooling time, but unfortunately, I didn't get this kind of privilege. So that is why I was unable to speak. Right now, I'm here in order to become fluent. So this is all about me. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. It is wonderful introduction, sir, from your side. And nowadays, do you teach your students?
Yes, yes. Nowadays, I'm teaching from 4 to 6 p.m. Only 2 hour I give there.
Okay. Every single
Yeah.
day you teach from 4 to 6 p.m.
Yes,
4
yes.
p.m. to 6 p.m.
From Monday to Saturday.
Okay. How
Yeah.
many students? How many students do you have in your coaching center?
Right now, sir, in my coaching institute, 32 students are there.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. And may I introduce myself?
Yes, sir. Yeah, definitely, sir. It may be good for knowing each other.
Yeah. First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. In front of you, I am Shantanu Das. I am connected from West Bengal. By
Yeah.
profession, I am working further. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. And before joining the hospital, I used to teach at my home as a private tutor in mathematics subject. And there were 120 students in a six batches. But
Oh.
nowadays, I don't teach. Yeah, nowadays I don't teach because I don't get free time. Apart from that, right now, I am running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me.
Yeah, really very fantastic, sir. Your introduction, really very good. Thank you.
And then you also teacher, you are a teacher, and right now also
Yes.
you are learning this language. And what is the
Yeah.
reason for learning this language?
There is a one reason, sir. Actually, nowadays English is very important. English is a global language, so that is why we are educated person. If we are not able to speak and we are not making conversation with anyone, so I think it's a little bit awkward, and people they think that he is not educated person. So that is why I mean, if we are educated person, so we should know very well how to make conversation and how to behave and how to talk with any other people. And because of English language, we are talking with you. Otherwise, how can we possible to interact and talk to you, sir?
Yes, yes. And nowadays you teach few students at your house, and do you teach English subject?
No, sir. Actually, some of students they were asking, sir, you should teach English. But I think at real time my English was not good. So that is why I thought if I start to teach some of student, if they ask any question in English, so I will stuck and I feel little bit shy. So that is why I thought first of all we should maintain ourselves and then I will teach. Right now I am teaching only mathematics.
Okay. Right now also you
Yeah.
are teaching in mathematics subject, but right now you are speaking English very well. There is now no doubt. You can start your English speaking
Thank you.
journey to your students.
Thank you, sir. I will start from next month. Actually, I am planning to teach mathematics, English also. So just because of right now in my side, all school are closed. So some of the students they are not coming properly. They think that if a new session will start, so then I will come and I will take education properly. So that is why I think after July, I mean July month I will start. In my side, new session start from July. So then I will start my English classes.
Yeah, during my study, when I used to study in my school, when I was studying in class 7th and 8th standard, at that time my English was very weak. Yeah, at that time
Okay.
I could not write one sentence in English properly. Yeah, and during my
Yeah.
study in the primary school, there was no English subject in my primary school. That's why right
Yes,
now
sir.
also nowadays I started my English speaking journey. Yeah, my goal is I want to become a good English speaker. That's why I am
Yes.
using this platform for improving my English skill. I know very well for learning this language, always you have to speak another people.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why I am using this platform.
Yes, sir. I watch many a video of your video, sir. I mean, really, it's very fantastic, and you are right now speaking very well. So actually, I joined on this platform, so that is why I can see when you send your video. So really, I mean, really, I try to watch your video. Really, it's very fantastic, and I like your video. It's good, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for watching my video. And sir, tell me about your state and in your locality. Do you have any friend? Do you have any members at your house who is speaking English?
No, sir. In my village area and my friends circle, no anyone who is speaking English. So just itself, I start to learn and I do practice. I mean every day, 1 hour, 2 hour, just I do practice. Some of time I speak, some of time I listen any podcast, English content. So I think it's better for me for improving. So only itself I am doing practice and day by day I'm learning. So actually in my side, there is one reason, sir. I mean, if you are speaking with anyone and they say that he is becoming Angrez, so that is why I don't like to talk with anyone. Just on self. Sometimes I get free time, so I go in the playground in my near
Okay.
my village. So there is no anyone morning time, mostly morning time. So whatever I can, we can murmuring and we can speak something on self. So no any disturbance there. So that is why
Yeah,
I
yeah.
try to go there and then I speak something on self and learn something. So it's good for me.
Yes, yes, you are. Yeah, my English speaking journey, when I started my English speaking journey, at that time, I used to talk so many people who belong to another state, who belong to another country. But at that time, I was talking very secretly because
Yes,
other people
yes,
always saying that, yeah, he is speaking English, he is speaking English. But what is the reason? Why he is learning this language? Yeah, this kind of
yeah,
comment I am getting. That's why nowadays every single day I get up early in the morning around 4:30 a.m. and I go for morning walk every single day. At that time there is
yes,
no one. Yeah, every single day while walking I connect with another person. Yeah, at that time also
yes.
I practice every single day.
Yes, sir. Yes, really, really, it's very good way, sir. Yeah, nowadays English really very important for everyone. So because of English, we can interact to other state people and other country people. Otherwise, it's not possible to interact to other one. So that is why we should know and we should learn this language. Really, it's very fantastic, sir, and really very fruitful. In future, I think we will get more opportunity to speak and do any job also. So that is
Yes,
why it's very mandatory for everyone who is educated and who is very serious to learn this language. So I think it's good.
yes. Yeah, nowadays there are so many advantages of learning the language. Number one, English is an international language as well as a communication language. To communicate each other, to communicate other country of people, English is necessary. English is needful language. And right now, in our state, in my country, there are 29 states in our country, and every
Yes.
state has their own native language. You are
Own
from
native
UP,
language.
yeah, you are from UP, you have your own native language, but I don't know your native language properly. But I am from
Yes.
West Bengal, and Bengali is my mother tongue. I know very well Bengali language, but you don't know my native language
Yeah.
properly. Yeah, but
Yes.
after learning English, we are talking each other, we are connecting each other. That's why English is connecting language. Yeah. On the
Yes.
other hand, on the other hand. English is a professional language. Whenever you go to
Correct.
the interview, whenever you go to the interview for taking a good job in a multinational company, the first of all the interviewer asks the question in English nowadays.
Yes, yes.
I noticed that many students they when they go to the interview for taking a good job, they face without learning English, they have to face a lot of problem for getting a good job in a multinational company. That's why
Yeah.
nowadays English is necessary. English is a need for language.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, sir. Really, one incident also happened with me. Actually, I also wanted to go Dubai 2 years ago.
Okay,
So one of
okay,
my relative he told me, if you want to go there, so definitely I will support you a lot of I will support, but I think there is one condition. You have to crack one interview in Mumbai. And then I went to Mumbai for giving interview. And when I reached there, so then I saw interviewer also. He was from Dubai. And when
okay.
he started to take my interview, and then just only I gave my name and only my own thing. Otherwise, he asked any kind of question, but I was unable to give answer. And then he rejected me. Yeah, and then I realized that I have degree, diploma, I have done 1 year computer course, but because of my communication skill is not good, so that is why he rejected me. And then I realized that we have to learn this language by hook or crook. So then it may be better for my future. And then I started to learn this language, but starting time I didn't get any good environment and good track. So I was unable. And just I was used to scroll video on YouTube, and then it was not fruitful for me. And then again, just I got one application which name is CDA. So then I
Yeah.
started to use, yeah, I started to use that application, and then right now I'm feeling good, and day by day I'm learning. So really, it's very fantastic and very good way for speaking. Yeah, really, sir, 24/7 we are using our native language. We are not using any single sentence in English. So how can we possible to learn? So that is why
Yes.
we should speak something, we should learn something, we should listen something, so then we can learn.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, you are right. And I am telling you one incident. And few days ago, I was when I was talking with another person who is doing a job in Dubai, and he told me, bro, I came here, only for cooking, yeah, only for cooking. But after learning this language, after speaking English, right now I got the promotion in my job. Right now
Yeah.
I am doing a job in a manager post. Yeah, I am very
Yes.
happy after learning this language.
Yes. 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 Really, sir. Yeah. Really.
Yes. And sir, when did you start your English speaking journey?
And it's been around 6 months, 6 to 7 months, sir. But 1.5 month I was not regular. Actually, I was very weak, na? So lack of knowledge, I was not consistent. And then I mean about 5 months continue. I'm here. Daily basis I am using and practicing every day, so I feel better. But starting
Okay.
time, suppose yeah, someone they ask any question, so just a little bit I feel shy. So then I used to think what we have to give answer. So then because of this reason I was not regular, and then 1.5 month then I started to continuously, and then day by day gradually I started to get some knowledge, and then right now I am feeling better, and right now I can talk more and more, no worry, no any doubt, so we can make conversation prolong.
Yes, yes, yeah, definitely. Yes, yes, you are right. Yeah, at the beginning time when I started my English speaking journey, at that time I was afraid of speaking English because at that time I was thinking, yeah, while speaking English, if I make mistake, yeah, other people will laugh at me. Yeah,
Yes, yes,
that's also I could not speak. Yeah, I could not speak in front of the people. Right now there is no problem. I can speak English for a long time. There is no problem. Yeah, I have a confidence. Yeah, by practicing you can remove your hesitation. You can
yes,
get a good confidence. Yeah,
yes, yes, yes. Yeah, really, sir, you are saying correct. I mean, if we have knowledge, so then automatically confidence will come. If I
yes,
don't
yes,
have, if I have less knowledge, so I think confidence will be not strong. So that is why first of all we should get knowledge, and then automatically confidence will be increased, and we can face whatever we want, and we can make conversation with anyone. Which one is topic doesn't matter. So I think a little bit we have to knowledge, and then we can make conversation. Otherwise, no any chance.
yes, yes. You're right. All right, sir. Please tell me about your English speaking journey. I mean, when you started your English speaking journey, At that time, did you go anywhere? Did you join any coaching center?
Yes, sir. Yes. I was very serious to learn this language 1 year ago. It's been
Okay.
around 1 month, 1 year ago. So then I took on offline classes. So it was very
Okay.
costly. I think 1,000 rupees per month. They were saying
Okay.
that you have to take 6 months, then you will be better. So when I took one month only, just I took that class. So just they used to teach only grammar, everyday
Okay.
grammar. They didn't give any facility to speak. So I think it was boring already. While schooling, already I know what is the tenses and what is the grammar vocabulary. Already I know. So then I thought it's my time is wasting and money is wasting. So we should skip that kind of class. And then I skipped that kind of class. And then again I started to use mobile phone. Actually nowadays many kind of resources on social media. If you really serious, so you can get. If there is a will, there is a way. So it's very good. And right now I am able, without taking any offline classes, I am able to speak. And I'm not saying that I'm very fluent, but day by day I'm learning. I can make conversation with anyone. So this was
Yes.
the my journey. Yeah.
Yeah, in my locality, I observed that there are so many students. They go to the they go to the coaching center. Yeah, they go to the coaching center for speaking English. And after
Yes.
joining over there, they will have to give the high price. I mean 20,000,
Yes.
30,000.
Yes.
And
Yes. Yes.
after giving the money, they learn few structure. They learn few grammatical rules. They
Yes.
they they have already know that rules because maybe if you have if you have passed the 10th standard and school standard, maybe you have a knowledge of basic English grammar. Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
I
Yes.
think in my point of view nowadays the social media is available. Yeah, and using
Correct.
the social media, yeah, staying at your home, you can learn this language. No need to go anywhere. If you want to learn this language, yeah. If you don't want to learn this language, there is another way. But if you want to learn this language, no need to go anywhere. Always staying at your home and using your smartphone, you can learn this language.
Yes.
I didn't go. I didn't go anywhere. Always staying at my home
Yes.
and using my smartphone. I am learning this language.
Yes, sir, you are right. I resonate with your words. Really, you are saying correct, sir. Yeah, same thing I did, and right now I am following also. So that is why it's very fruitful for learning. First of all, our we should be make our heart's desire why we want to learn this language and what is the
Yes,
necessary why we should learn. So if you are making this kind of harsh desire, so definitely you can learn. Otherwise many a platform are there, so people they just using and they just doing time pass. So again and again they are just doing time pass, they are not serious. So if we have harsh desire, we want to learn this language. Like that, suppose if I am very hungry, so what I will
yes,
do, just I will find out only food, so then my hunger will be finished. Otherwise it's not possible. No, same English language, sir. Yeah, if I am very hungry, I want to very curious to learn this language. So we have to find out where I will get, and what we have to do, what we should follow, and what is the consistency. So many kind of things we have to follow, and then definitely we can learn. Okay, sir.
yes. Yes,
Yeah.
and sir, I would like to ask one question to you.
Yes, sir. Yes.
1 year ago, you joined in a coaching center. At that time, you had to pay 1,000 rupees in a month. And
Yeah.
right now, also you are speaking English, and you are also speaking English very well. There is no doubt. But after
Yeah.
learning this language, after speaking English, are you happy in your life?
Yes, sir. Really, to be honest, I am very happy, sir. Actually, it's English skill is a godfather for every skill. Okay, so it's a godfather. I can say that if you have other kind of skill, doesn't matter. But I think if you have English skill, so really it's a godfather. So that is why I am very happy. Actually, right now it's my fortune. I am talking with you. Otherwise, how can we possible to interact to you and talk to you? Whatever you are saying, sir, in your side and in your opinion, really I can understand and I can understand.
Okay, okay, all right, sir. It was a nice conversation with you. Yeah, you are speaking very well. I have learned so many things by connecting with you. Yeah, all right, sir. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day, sir. Same to you. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye. Bye bye, sir.